Nick.
Tap.
Sly.
Ito si Jan Yumol.
And this is Pao Seriaco.
At kayo'y nakikinig ng
Pinoy
Fuse. Ayun, isang magandang Tuesday na gabi po
Yes.
sa ating mga Fusers tonight. Alam ko maraming nakikinig kasi napaka-espesyal ng ating mga guests, na kasama natin. So a while ago, Pao, yung song, pakilala ko lang. A while ago, that was, kasi dalawa yun eh. Ang Pasko ay sumapit. Yan ang title pala ng song by Levi Celerio. May article na lumabas sa sa Inquirer recently about that. Yung kanyang, I think the person who wrote it is 98 years old. Yan, yung title ng article is Unknown Man Behind PH Philippines Immortal Yuletide Music. Ang Pasko ay sumapit is 98. Nabasa ko yan recently. Anyway, for those of you who are tuning in for the first time, to listen to Pinoy Fuse, www.dbc.hk, just click the Radio Smiles channel. If you are in Hong Kong, Now TV subscribers can tune in channel 575. That's channel 501 for iCable TV subscribers. The best way to, of course, tune in, click, tap, slide, as we always say. Download the DBC Radio app. It's free, available on iTunes and Google Play Store. Ano pa ba yung mga social media platforms natin?
Don't forget to like us on Facebook. That's 05DBC Pinoy Fuse. And meron din tayong YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. That's Pinoy Fuse.
Yes, ayun, kompleto. Actually, pag ina-upload natin yung mga pictures sa Facebook, nakikita rin sa Twitter. Pag nag-update tayo ng status sa Facebook, nakikita rin sa Twitter. Kaya napansin mo, sa mga Fusers natin, lagi kami may mga hashtag kasi yun po yung purpose nun. And it actually works kasi I do get notifications once in a while na we have a new follower. So, we're slowly getting there, no?
Thank you sa 1,077 nating Fusers.
Yes, pwede rin yung dagdagan, di ba?
Oo.
Tonight. So, if you haven't liked our Facebook page, 05 TBC Pinoy Fuse. At wala na tayong time for some songs. So, paalala lang. Nako, yan. Kinat na ako. Magbe-break muna po kami. Pagbalik namin, ipapakilala na namin ang aming mga guests sa inyo.
Welcome back to Pinoy Fuse.
Ayan. Hello, Pao. Anyway, before the break nga, nagpa-plug pa tayo ng social media platforms natin, gusto ko lang dagdag po ay ang Pinoy Fuse. It airs live every Tuesdays and Thursdays from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. And if you do miss the episode tonight, we have a rerun from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. po bukas. Actually, Wednesdays and Fridays yan eh. Kinabukasan after the live show, palagi po meron rerun yan. And pagkatapos naman po ng rerun, nasa archives namin. So, regularly visit dbc.hk. Tapos hanapin niyo lang po yung Radio Smiles channel. Nandun po yung tab. So, yung ibang programa po sa Channel 5, DBC5, ay makikita niyo po doon. So, marami tayong mga Filipino radio programs. Meron din tayong Indonesian programs. No? Anyway, bago natin pakilala ang ating mga guests, kasi may nag-message for some announcements. Gusto ko lang po i-announce na yung Light of Jesus members po dito sa Hong Kong. We will be having the 5th anniversary of the Light of Jesus Hong Kong this Sunday, December 7 from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. at rooms 502 to 503 in Bayanihan Center. Our guest priest from Manila, from Manila din. Parang yung guest natin tonight. Our guest priest from Manila is Father Eric Santos. Akala ko si yung singer. Sorry, Father.
Eric Santos.
Eric Santos din, Father po yun, Father Eric Santos. Live praise and worship starts at 1 p.m. and an afternoon talk on healing and laughter follows. Please come and be blessed this Advent season. Masaya yan. So, ulitin ko lang po, December 7, 1 p.m. to 6 p.m., rooms 502 to 503, Bayanihan Center. Ang Bayanihan Center po ay nasa Kennedy Town. Sakay lang po kayo ng bus number 5, yung terminal po ng 5 or 5B, bus number 10, dito sa Hong Kong side. Opposite lang po niyan ng terminal ay yung Bayanihan Center. Okay, Pao, pakilala natin ng ating mga guests. Pakilala mo na. Sige.
Yes, we have all the way from Manila is Mr. Benji Uychico. He is the Executive Director of DLSAA Manila, which is the De La Salle Alumni Association Manila. Welcome to Hong Kong.
And of course, joining us live tonight, si Kathy Yang, who's the president of De La Salle Alumni Association Hong Kong chapter. Okay, so let's say hello to our guests.
Hi, good evening to all of you.
Good evening,
especially
Pao
to our
and Jan.
kababayans.
Yes.
Good evening and maraming salamat for sharing your mission with us tonight.
Thank
we're
you.
very excited.
We're actually very honored na si
Yes.
Benji is here in Hong Kong because he's based in Manila. He flew all the way here to spread the Lasallian mission, and also, more importantly, for our own happenings, to attend our Christmas party
Ayun.
tomorrow, which is open to the public.
Yes.
It's going to be fun. I'll tell you more about that later.
Yes, all right. So the reason also why you both are here tonight is because of we're talking about the World Congress, which will happen next year, May 2015. But before that, I guess let's give our listeners, our viewers, an overview of the structure of the Alumni Association. Napaka-contagious, side comment lang, napaka-contagious kasi ng yung animo ni Kathy.
Masyado maraming posts sa FB, I think.
It's very contagious na
Hashtag.
you feel like you're a Lasallian din.
Thank you.
Parang
Thank you
siyang si
for
Cupid na,
actually saying that.
Yes, mayan.
You've been very loyal attendees of all our fundraisers. Thank you for helping in a big way.
Yes, and of course, we worked together last year. Continuous pa yan, pero pag-usapan natin yan mamaya. We'll go to Benji first for the structure.
Okay, thank you, Jam, and animo to all of you. The De La Salle Alumni Association, structurally muna, is a non-stock, non-profit corporation. So we are actually independent of De La Salle University, which is the school itself. No?
Okay.
But we function in line with the school because of the initiatives. We have to align ourselves with the initiatives of the school as well and the institution as a whole. Now, when we were incorporated, that was actually close to 100 years now. We will be 100 years in 2016.
Okay.
And because of that, we have actually decided to go into a paradigm shift. No? But we can discuss about that later. Our composition is we are chapter-based, principally from Manila, but we also have chapters in the region and all over the Philippines and also internationally.
Right.
One distinct nature about our chapters that are in the regions and internationally is that they are one LaSalle in nature. Now, what is that concept of one LaSalle? Meaning to say, basta taga LaSalle ka, pwede ka sumama sa chapter na yon. So we don't distinguish whether you're from LaSalle Green Hills or from LaSalle Lipa or from LaSalle Manila. As long as you are from LaSalle, then you are actually invited to become a member of the chapter. It's an all-inclusive concept.
So has it always been inclusive? Just that's my question. Just
Okay, yes. Although in structure we are technically the De La Salle University Alumni Association, but the inclusivity really is innate in every Lasallian. We don't try to put ourselves into hierarchies or statues, no, as far as the alumni is concerned. Like, take for example, if I were to talk to the president of a company, normally I would call him by his first name
Okay.
instead of Mr. President, because in the structure of the alumni, we're really peers more than seniorities.
Yes. It said here, camaraderie, tapos ano pa ba? Fellowship.
And networking.
Yes, and networking. I want to know how many chapters do you have in the Philippines and internationally?
Okay. In the Philippines, when we the structure in the Philippines is because it's grouped into two. The college-based chapters that are centric to Manila. These are the College of Engineering, College of Business, College of Computer Science, and all the other chapters of the departments or the chapters of the courses or curriculums in the school. We have regional chapters that are not Manila-centric. We have a chapter in Davao, Cagayan de Oro, Cebu. Northwards, it's in Baguio, La Union, Pangasinan, Nueva Ecija, and Pampanga.
Okay.
Internationally, of course, we have Hong Kong. We have in the Americas, Northern California, Southern California, Metro New York, Chicago, Atlanta in Washington. And we have also presence in Canada, Toronto and Vancouver.
Okay, over the
We have
years.
Dubai also pala. Sorry.
Marami kaming listeners sa Dubai, sa Middle East din. For the past 8 months, magna 9 months na yung show, maraming nagla-like. And in fact, our 1,001 liker is not from Hong Kong. And he was very proud of, baka nga Lasallian siya, baka nakikinig siya tonight. Okay, so I would like to know the role of dun sa email sa email exchange natin, the role of the SAA Manila. You mentioned that it's not strictly an authoritative one. So what are the guidelines that you follow?
All right. We work on guiding principles kasi, not really guidelines. So,
Okay.
although we have manuals to follow, no, but in reality, the chapters really are independent bodies. So we cannot come into a point that we're the boss.
Okay.
But just because we're from Manila, although we would like to consider our chapters as our babies, but we'd like to look at them also as mature already enough to handle themselves.
Right. Okay, so mag-pause muna tayo dyan. I think this is a very fitting song dahil kakanta sila NSYNC at Gloria Estefan ng Music of My Heart. And there's a lot of teaching in this song. Marami tayong matututunan, ang ganda na lyrics. So, Fusers, don't go away. We will be right back. Siguro. Pero ang galing nun nagbukas ng flagship store sa Landmark. Yung kanilang guest. Alamin nga natin kung sino yung guest nila na.
Si Ika Butoni. She's an Indonesian.
Bagay sa fashion kasi Botonis di ba? Ika nga Botonis.
Oo.
Anyway, yes, next week yan. Don't forget. At syempre yung Enrich din, gusto ko rin silang batiin ng congratulations kasi itong darating na Thursday, meron silang maliit na parang salo-salo. Kaso on air tayo. So, naimbitahan naman tayo, hindi tayo makapunta. Kasi hanggang 10 yata or 9 o'clock yung kanilang event. Hanggang 9 tayo So, anyway, ayun. Malapit na yata tayong mag-break. May konti pang oras. Gusto ko lang i-plug ulit yung rerun. Bukas po, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. www.dbc.hk. Just lahat ng discussions natin tonight, mapapakinggan nila bukas. Syempre, hindi naman mawawala yun kasi may archives tayo. So, makikita nila lahat ng mga past episodes natin, no? At saka yung mga episodes to come, and araw-araw ina-update po natin ang ating website, DBC5 website. Ulitin ko lang pala, speaking of Kelly, yung contact email, kasi naghahanap sila ng volunteers, ethnic minority. Tas importante po yung commitment kasi mga kabataan to. So, tumawag lang po sa numero 25216890. Bukas po sila from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday. Yung email po ay contact@kelly.org. Yung Kelly po, hindi po yung kapitbahay niyo. Isang L po yon, Kelly. KELY.org. Baka may kapitbahay kasi silang Kelly, di ba? So, anyway, yon, si Sky Siwang nakausap natin. Ang kanilang programa ay Seeing the Possibilities. Maraming, maraming klaseng activities yung ginawa nila. Tapos, sa January, meron na naman. So, anyway, right, we will take another short break. Magbalik natin, we will continue with our guests.
Welcome back to Pinoy View. So, kanina nakausap natin si Sky from Kelly Support Group. So, balik naman tayo dito sa ating guests from the LaSalle Alumni Association. So, let's talk about yung Congress, which happens every 2 years na po. Opo. So, ang nakalagay dito is One LaSalle World Congress discovered the H in Hanimo. So, would you like to give us more information on that, sir?
Sige. Pero World Congress na muna.
Sige.
Okay. The World Congress really is a biennial event it's being hosted by the De La Salle Alumni Association. Before the format was home and away. Kathy mentioned that I was in New York last year kasi nandun yung World Congress. in
2013.
2013, no? In 2015, it will be held in Clark, Pampanga. But a twist here is we decided that future World Congresses, at least for the near future, will be done in the Philippines. Una-una, first and foremost, we have to promote our country.
Yes.
Diba? Visit the Philippines. And it's more fun in the Philippines. So we decided to reformat that in that sense, no? Next year then, it will be in Clark, Pampanga. The theme, or the title pala, the tagline of the Congress is Discover the H in Hanimo.
Hanimo.
Well, we did some research, no, in the Kapampangan alphabet called Kulitan, the pre-colonial Kapampangan alphabet. There is no character equivalent to the Roman alphabet na H. So much so na, nung tinuro sa kanila yung Roman alphabet, hindi nila ma-pronounce yun.
Yung H.
Yung H. Now, the other side of the coin is, why do the Kapampangans put H where it is not needed? I asked around and researched, nobody knows. So anyway, so I took that script and I put it also in the brochure, no, which I will hand it to you later. Now, we used Clark, no, Clark, Pampanga, because of its historical perspective. Clark before was actually originally called Fort Stotzenberg. It was an army base of the Americans before it was turned over to what it was renamed Clark Air Base after Major Harold Clark. So, yun ang storya ng H.
And then how will this Congress be different from previous Congresses?
Okay.
Review muna siguro ng mga previous Congress. Tas let's find out how it's going to be different.
All right. The previous Congresses actually were actually, as I said, home and away format, and that the themes were actually conceptualized by the chapters themselves. We want each Congress really is positioned in a place where there is an existing chapter. And then we actually collaborate with them to decide on the theme, the format, and what to do with regards to the Congress themselves. What is unique about the Congress in 2015, between May 22 to 24, is because prior to that, or the month before, there is what we call a Philippine Lasallian Family Convocation. I'm blessed to be a delegate in that convocation. What happens in a Philippine Lasallian Family Convocation is that all the stakeholders of the Lasallian institutions, all the schools, all the stakeholders, and all those involved in the teaching process or in the institutional process, they get together and decide what LaSalle will do in the Philippines for the next 7 years. So, ganun ang directional intent. Now, that will happen in April. Sa May, pagdating ng Congress, i-echo namin yung yung learnings doon. So, siguro providential na ginawa akong delegate din for the April convocation para during the World Congress, matra-translate naman namin yung learnings doon. So, the alumni body will be able now to understand ano yung direction din ng next 7 years for the institutions. That's how we connect with the schools. On the World Congress, you will notice, nakalagay siya 10th DLSAA 1 LaSalle World Congress. 2 years after 2015, it is envisioned na mawawala na yung DLSAA. It will now just be termed the 1 LaSalle World Congress. Kasi as I said before, in the previous discussion, we federated as an alumni association. This event now will move up to a federation event para magiging 1 LaSalle na talaga siya in concept and practice. Matatanggal na yung DLSA.
Right. Yung tema pag-usapan natin very interesting yung theme ng Congress ninyo. Yes.
Yung Discover the H in Animal. Okay.
Yes.
Yung
military.
Yun nga kasi nakwento ko kayo na dyan kasi
sige.
ito ang storya
Nakita
dyan
ko yung
ha,
website,
kung pwede ko lang
Yes, please.
i-share. Sabi ko dyan, may alam ka ba ditong paggawaan ng mga costume? Naku, alam mo naman, di ako mahilig damit-damit dyan. Ngayon, marami namang naibigay sa aking suggestion si Jan. Kaya nasabi ko sa kanya na ang ating theme for the gala, most often, we would wear long gowns,
Yes.
tuxedos. Hindi eh.
Filipiniana.
Filipiniana, barong, hindi.
Right.
Military. Aba, may kudeta. Kaya yun ang ang tinatanong mo
Yes,
dyan.
yes,
Ako,
yes,
bakit
correct.
military?
Yes.
Bakit nga ba, Sir Benji?
Yes.
Because nga in honor of Clark Air Base,
Okay.
military base siya talaga at for the longest time. Lately lang siya naging industrial park or what they now call the anong tawag nito?
Okay.
Clark Freeport Zone. Okay. Balik tayo dun sa H,
Yes.
Kasi because of the H concept, we wanted to title na rin the sessions starting with H. For example, yung welcome cocktails ng day 1 na May 22, we called it High Fidelity because of the song of the 80s. There was a song entitled High Fidelity. Sa ano yata yun eh.
Pinanganak na ako noon,
Oh,
Sir
yun.
Benji. Alam ko yun. I think si
Alam mo
Jan
yan, di ba?
hindi ata,
Ako
tsaka
din,
si Pao.
pero depende kung which part of the 80s.
Sa movie Fame yata yun eh, no?
Okay.
On
High
day 2,
Fidelity.
the plenary session, which is
Oo.
the essence of the Congress, we termed it Heart of the Animo. Kasi nandun yung puso ng animo. Even the Mass, may anticipated Mass kami on May 23, High Spirits ang pangalan. And of course, magpa-party din, siyempre, di ba? Sabi mo, Kati,
Oo
gusto rin
naman, bakit
mag-party.
hindi mawawala yan?
A military-themed gala night entitled High Command.
Okay.
Wow.
And of course, day 3 will be open up for the H tours. Iba-ibang tours yun. You can have Pinatubo, you can go on a sky tour, sandbox. Meron din kaming walking tour of Angeles sa
Dapat may
gabi.
food tour.
Culinary.
Sisig.
Sana.
Oo.
Diba?
Sisig.
Good
oo.
suggestion. Sama
yung
na natin sa
batok
night
mo.
tour yun. So,
Tapos yung batok mo, di ba? Yung cholesterol.
para sa inyo lang yun. Bata pa ako.
Maganda yung nakita ko nga yung program ninyo. Sabi ko nga, kay Cathy, pwede bang sumali dito just in case? Kasi yung plan niya yung tours. Actually, interesado ako sa tours. Kasi hindi pa ako talaga nakaka-explore ng Pampanga. Nung nag-aral ako doon, dinadaanan lang namin yung Pampanga. Kasi, hamba pag may field trip sa school, ganyan. Pero I've never explored. Pati daw yung pagkain nila, masarap eh. So, envious. Ang ganda ng naka-line up dyan.
Of course, dumaan ka dun. You will love Pampanga.
Yes.
I loved it so much. I married one.
Are you,
Yes, Papanggan yan.
I was gonna ask if you're
Nini.
from Pampanga eh. Are you from Pampanga?
No, my wife.
Yeah, just your
Oo.
wife. Yes. Okay. And yung mga halimbawa may mga nakikinig ngayon, pwede pa sila mag-register pwede pa silang sumali.
Yes, you can go to onelasalpampanga.org or dlsaa.com.
Nandun yung mga information like I'm looking at it now. Andito yung One Lasal World Congress, nandito yung registration, hotel accommodations, booking. Of course, yung program, yung dinner. Now, meron pa bang idadagdag?
Meron
Kasi-
lang akong gustong idagdag kasi naging katanungan din to dahil Clark is an international airport. Kaya kaya posibleng mag-direct flight ang mga taga Hong Kong to Clark. Pero meron ba tayong sistema, Sir Benji, na yung mga manggagaling sa Amerika, sa Europe, ano ang magandang rota para makadating sa Clark ng mas mabilis?
Okay. For those flying direct to Clark, we will have a help desk available for you and a shuttle service. For those coming out of Manila, we will have transportation provided to and from Clark and back. No? It will travel perhaps on Friday evening or Saturday morning to Clark and then Sunday back to Manila. Ang pick-up point nun will be De La Salle University.
Taft.
Yes.
Yes.
It's a good reason. That's where I came from. Good to visit it again and wait for the shuttle.
Oh, they're for free pala, no? Where it's for the guest.
Right. Ang linis ng website, natutuwa ako sa pictures. Pati yung website organized.
Ay, thank you very much.
Ay, kayo gumawa niyan? Hindi naman.
Modesty aside. Concept lang. Hindi ako naggumawa ng drawing. Concept lang.
Alright. I guess kung pwede na tayong pumunta kay Cathy, i-intro natin. Tomorrow, something is happening.
Yes, of course. Ayan ang sinasabi ni Benji na hindi nawawala ang party. Kaya nga rin nandito si Sir Benji para mag-party na kasama namin. And this would be the first actually. Si Sir Benji tsaka si Derek Yu, ang current DLSAA president, ang nag-induct sa amin nung kami na-revive last June. And they inducted us again officially as elected officers na. Kasi dati appointed pa lang, wala pa kaming bylaws nung last June. And now, Benji will see for his own self what really goes on in a Lasallian party. Alam na yan ni Pao tsaka ni Jan. Mga professional attendees na kayo. Ang aming tema this year ay stems from our performers. For the first time, nakasecure kami ng 2 nakakatawang komedyante sa Hong Kong. Led by Chris Musni and Andrew Chu. If you go around the various pubs and bars in Hong Kong, siguro nadatnan na ninyo sila na nagsa-stand-up act. Sila yon. And they will grace our fundraiser for the very first time. Dahil sa aming mga nagawang fundraisers dati, karamihan ng mga inimbita namin performers, mga Pinoy bands. Yun nga, yun last time, Likalento. Rappers na whom I met here in the studio when we were all like, packed in the studio. They were really such great fun. And we're opening it up to comedians. And I'm sure because laughter is so universal, we decided to open it to the public.
Okay.
Kaya hindi lang mga lasalista ang pupunta, invited ang buong community. The very community who helped us raise money in every fundraiser that we mounted.
Okay.
So we will see familiar faces tomorrow.
Okay, sige. Cathy will pause right there. We'll take a short break lang, and then maybe when we come back, you can share more about the event. Tsaka yung mga ginagawa niyo dito, syempre. Fusers, don't go away.
Welcome back to Pinoy Fuse. So, Cathy, sorry to cut you short kanina, no? You were inviting our fusers.
Yes.
It was the comedy night before Christmas.
That's
so
right.
please
I got
continue.
carried away by the comedians in the party. Hindi ko na nasabi kung saan siya magaganap. Siya ay magaganap sa pinaka-hippest and happeningest place in Lan Kwai Fong, Orange Peel.
Okay.
Kaka-officially launch lang niya, no? And this is in the Aguilar Street and will start from 8:30. Be
8:30
there
na.
on time. The
Alright,
comedians
yes.
will be there to entertain you. Plus, Rapido Bandido, isa siyang Pinoy band that just got assembled together for the concert at the park on December 7th through the help of Manuela Law, the Hong Kong Musicians Union chairman.
Alright, speaking of that, Cathy, meron tayong makakausap sa kabilang linya. Siyempre, siya ang executive director ng Bethune House, ang iyong beneficiary dito sa Hong Kong. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi, Mamang.
Hello.
Good
Magandang
evening,
gabi
Ma'am
po
Edwina.
sa lahat ng nasa studio, syempre, at sa lahat ng mga tagapakinig ninyo.
Maraming
Ngayong
salamat.
gabi.
Alright. So nandito rin si Cathy, si Pauline.
Hello, Ma'am Edwina. It's good to hear from you.
Magandang gabi.
Yes, magandang gabi
Narinig
po.
niyo ba yung mga tunog ng
Mga
bass?
trama.
Yes, I love the natural sound. Perfect for radio interviews. Just be careful po. Baka may medyo dangerous. We should keep to the side.
Nasa tabi na nga
Hindi
siya.
naman.
Pasakay
hindi
na
naman.
sana
Pasakay
kanina.
naman ako.
Narinig ko na nagdingding na yung tram eh. Tumawag tayo. Anyway, kumusta na right now yung situation sa Bethune, ano? Yung appeal, unahin muna natin yung appeal ninyo. Siguro.
Oo. Actually, meron kaming Christmas appeal ngayon. Aside from yung sa coins for Bethune House, kasi nga, meron kaming deficit for December 2014. Kaya nagpadala kami ng Christmas appeal. Nag-start kami last week at hinihintay lang namin ano yung mga result noong mga regular na nag-donate sa Bethune.
Aha.
Oo, yun.
Last-
Kaya yun, sana kung hindi man kami nakapagpadala doon ng appeal doon, Christmas appeal doon sa ibang mga nakakakilala at dating nag-donate sa Bethune, sana for Christmas, no, maaalala nila kami. Kahit maliliit, alam niyo, mga maliliit na amount, pag nagsama-sama kasi yon ay malaking tulong.
Okay.
Ngayon, meron din kaming Coins for Bethune na nag-start last October 2014 at maglalas ito until February 2015.
Matagal
Kaya kung
pa
gusto
pala.
nyo ng matagal pa to. Kung gusto nyo ng stickers, pwede kayong kumuha sa Mission for Migrant Workers, sa mga shelters, sa Jordan at saka Siongwan at saka sa opisina ng Dasan.
Okay.
Yun.
Okay.
Oo.
They will just register now, whether individual or group, anybody who wants to help. Okay.
Oo.
Open naman yung
Oo.
office even during the weekends sa Mission.
Oo. Ngayon kung gusto niyo ng updates hinggil sa Coins for Bethune, punta lang kayo sa kanyang
Mayroong
Facebook
Facebook.
page.
Yes.
Oo. So, Coins for Bethune ang nakalagay project. Coins for Bethune project. Yun. Tapos lalabas na yung niya. Pwede kayo mag-iwan ng message doon. Kung halimbawa kailangan niyo ng stickers, iwan lang kayo ng message doon para alam namin kung paano kayo kukontakin.
Okay. I'm curious lang ako, no? Kasi Christmas appeal, meron ba kayong mga gamit na kailangan? Or
Sa ngayon,
yes.
yung dehumidifier, at saka yung, pag malamig, ano ba yun?
Heater.
Ano ba yung heater? Yan, heater.
Okay
Heater
lang.
lalo na doon sa Jordan kasi, di ba, bukas yung kanyang,